Last week I went to Dartmoor and I was looking for primroses. Now I didn't actually find as many primroses as I thought I might in the place that I was looking in, but that's okay. I saw many beautiful celandines and I really like those. They're everywhere at the moment, aren't they? Such beautiful, vibrant little flowers, they really are. So what I think I'm going to do is go back to that painting, that collage I created of the primroses in Dartmoor, and paint some celandines into that picture, because whenever I've been looking for primroses I have also come across the celandines, of course, and I think they would make a really nice addition to that collage. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to that collage and paint in some celandines, and I think that would be a very pleasant way to spend an hour or so.